Are we clear yet? Donkey, donkey.
Vibes. Bringing in the Cloud Brothers. Ooh, yeah.
Like that. I like that stuff. That stuff. See? You still need to monetize. Like that stuff.
Cloud Brothers, like and subscribe for more quality content like this. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I got.
All right.
I got a stupid. I got a stupid joke for the subscribers. It's like one of those Stephen Wright jokes.
Yeah.
Like, isn't it a good thing for gravity? Because if birds just died, they'd just stay there.
Yeah. Stephen Wright is an understated genius, that guy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
We've done our own Stephen Wrights many times. All right.
Fair.
You go.
Well,
you have
we're here to do some for the we might do a couple of recordings tonight, so you might see 2 separate videos, or you may not. Cloudwatch. We're going to try and set up some Cloudwatch custom metrics. I think the plan is that you're going to guide me through setting up the Cloudwatch custom metrics and be able to monitor them within the console, which I already have up on the screen behind me, and you. And we'll see how that goes. Take it away.
All right. So I sent you some links before, actually, and I did. I took the README for installing the uDefine CloudWatch agent, and I put it into my own repo, and made the font a little bigger and put some missing information in there. So
okay,
it's the EC2 Lab GitHub one. That one. Either one of them will work, I think. Then you click on that. That should come up.
Okay.
I gotta click on the link, not just
this one
here.
Good
picture. Yeah, I think that's. I gotta make this bigger. I can't really see. Oh yeah.
Okay.
So there's 2. Hang on, I'm gonna pop this out so you can see what's going on. Okay, so I made a folder, the install CloudWatch agent folder, and I made the setup MD folder. And the setup MD folder, I think we gotta go first because actually I didn't save something on a git clone. We need to git clone this repo onto your computer. So best thing to do is start up Ubuntu.
Okay, remember we uninstalled Ubuntu when we were testing something?
Yeah, you gotta install Ubuntu then.
Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let's just double check. I'm pretty sure I didn't reinstall it.
Yeah, no,
I can't remember what I did.
Got rid of it for reasons. I don't remember reasons.
Yeah. So how do I do this again? I've got to go into. There's a specific type of Ubuntu for Windows.
You gotta go. Yeah, you gotta install Ubuntu's WSL. It's everything. If you're using Windows or Linux on Ubuntu, everything is on the Windows Linux subsystem. Oh yeah, it's in the store. Yeah. That's right.
Okay. Ubuntu WSL. Okay.
Canada.
That's where I live. Git. Install open. Okay, that opened over on my other screen. Okay.
Is that just a blank screen?
Looks like it. The thing you're looking for isn't here.
All right.
Well, that's why I'm trying to get it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. So it loads up this weird blank screen, and then just circles forever.
That's really weird, and then it refreshes. I wonder if that's a Windows 11 thing. Try install Ubuntu WSL Windows 11. You may have found another issue. Did it last time though. We can try a different flavor if Ubuntu doesn't work. We could try like Debian, I think, is one of them, but they've got a few different flavors.
Okay, hold on. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for command prompt. Type WSL install.
Oh, that's, I see. I gotta get that part first.
Do I have to go to the C drive? Do I have to go to the root?
No. You can do this from anywhere.
Well, there you go. Learn something new every day.
Yeah. What's the next step?
I don't know.
Did it work? Or did it give you a
Oh, what?
It looked like
It says restart your computer to finish your
do that again though. Copy and paste, because it looked like an error to me. Copy and paste the command. I can't really see that output. That looks like it's giving you instructions. That doesn't look like what it's on the screen there. Yeah, that's giving you instructions. So go back to the page. There's a something you can copy paste. Right under line 3, you can copy paste that piece.
That is what I wrote.
Well,
saying the exact same thing.
That's like output of what it's to do. It's not doing. Look at the screenshot underneath and look at what it's doing. They're not the same thing.
Well, I copied and pasted it. It's obviously not the same thing.
Yeah.
This is going way slower for some reason.
Yeah.
Which is nice because I can read it.
Yeah. So what's in there? What's the WSL? Maybe you've got it installed already? Or maybe you need to do it from PowerShell.
It's the same one.
It doesn't say any of that.
I just wanted to see.
All you gotta do it as administrator. Go back. You didn't open your command prompt as administrator. Yeah. Search for command prompt, right click, run on administrator. I don't think you did that. Did you?
No.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. And that could be our problem. So it says search for command prompt, right click, which is what I did. Type the following command. So I can put it on Windows 11.
What's the, oh yeah, there you go. Because if you weren't the administrator. Now you can restart. Now you gotta restart.
Oh, you do actually have to restart now?
Says,
Wait. Type the following command to install WSL with a specific distro on Windows 11.
Ubuntu 2020.4. The last one there.
Oops. Wait. I'm confused now. Where am I copying here?
Copy the thing and then replace.
Oh, so and then distro name is with the distro. That's it in the list that's above.
Yeah, correct.
Right here is what you're talking about.
Correct.
Okay, so I want to do this, and
the name is the first column, so it's Ubuntu
-2004. Yep, I got it. So I'm going over this, pasting it. That's weird. Okay. Whatever.
Oh, did it not copy?
It wouldn't copy for me. I don't know why. I probably just missed. Try that.
Yeah.
Was that an error again?
Try just Ubuntu. Ubuntu and enter. Up arrow. Up arrow. Up arrow's not on this one?
No, it's on. I can type like 300 words a minute.
Oh, okay. Is it in the instructions on the page?
Replace distro name for such as Debian.
Oh yeah, so just put Ubuntu here then.
Okay, so
doesn't have to be that specific.
Now I will go back up and go like this. Just get rid of this.
Yeah, that's oh, what the fuck? Try uppercase Ubuntu, because it's uppercase Debian for some reason. No, just the first letter. See how it's Debian, capital D.
Yeah, that's how I had it.
The first time? Yeah, I can't really see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's exactly that's how it looks.
All right. I think you still have to restart.
Wait.
Restart is before this step, right? WS install Oh, wait, go back.
Hold on.
There was a thing the computer will restart, blah, blah, blah. Well, you can't really restart now, can you?
Well, I can. I just have to stop the recording and restart it and then mash it together. Type.
It's just a word. It's just a name somehow.
Okay. Well, it didn't do that. There you go.
Oh, there you go. What was it?
I just had a typo. And then so I just looked and it was like WSL install -d Ubuntu. So I think I had it like list WSL, and it was just one word tied together.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So now we're getting it back. Obviously, that's working. So you were absolutely correct.
Yeah. I can type pretty fast too, but I only copy and paste. If I can copy and paste it, I copy and paste it.
Yeah, but I was just typing Ubuntu, which I didn't spell wrong. The whole thing, I copied and pasted it, and that was my problem. I did that. I did that incorrectly.
There is that side of the coin.
Yeah.
It giveth, and it taketh away.
Yeah, sure. It does. It's true. Okay, so installing Ubuntu now, and happy to have you back, Ubuntu. It's probably going to take a minute. It might tell me to restart, and if that's the case,
I don't think so.
Installing this may take a few minutes. It says over here. Whoop.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. This is what we want.
Yeah. Oh, I remember why. We were trying to reinstall it to get around the password.
Yeah, and you have your password now. You said.
Nope, I do not.
This is your Unix password. This is a Unix password. So now you write this password down. Remember this password. This is your Ubuntu password.
Do I have to enter a password, or can I press enter?
I think you have to enter a password. Try
Okay.
it. I don't know. I think you have to. Oh, admin already exists. Oh, just make a new user. Make a CA Mugford then. It's making a new user for some reason. For this one, for this kind of stuff, I just make this password because it's ephemeral, right? But whatever. Just to make sure you remember it. Excuse me. There you go. You're in Ubuntu.
Woohoo! Touchdown! Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah.
The first thing you're going to need to do is install Git because you don't have Git on this thing because it's brand new, unless it's one of the old ones they're brought back.
Don't know.
Try Git. Just hit Git and enter and see what happens. Oh, I do have Git. All right, cool. I think it's got some of your other stuff.
Yeah, it's just in the command.
Go to the Git link, the GitHub link. The page. Go to the GitHub page and get on the top right hand side. There's code there on that green button. Yeah, and change. No, wait.
Okay.
Change that to. They don't have SSH. Okay, just use HTTPS then. That's fine. That should be. You should have SSH option, but that's fine. Copy that clipboard.
Yep, back to the command prompt.
And then git clone. Oh, you want to go into a directory. You don't need to be in command line as an administrator anymore. And you should probably do everything in PowerShell now. So you should open up PowerShell as, or no, never mind. This is your Windows. This isn't your Ubuntu. Go to your Ubuntu. You don't need this anymore.
Okay, so I can start a new command prompt?
No, you don't need a command prompt. Go to your Ubuntu window.
My Ubuntu window.
Look at your bar. Look at your taskbar. That's your Ubuntu.
I'm not sure where you're pointing.
You've got it highlighted. It's the orange button, the Ubuntu logo.
It is this one?
Right. Yeah. Just click on that. That's where you need to be. That
is it. That's what I had open.
No, you had the command prompt open.
Okay, I gotcha.
I'd say administrator.
All right. I knew this was open. I think I must have had this on my other screen or something.
That's all good. So now if you want to organize stuff, I put everything in documents and projects. So just for do CD documents, CD capital D documents. Okay, don't have that. Okay, that's fine. Do it ls. Enter. There's nothing there. Okay, we'll just do a git clone into this directory. This isn't like the GUI Ubuntu I'm used to.
So am I doing just pasting after this?
Yeah, correct.
Oh, it's so weird.
Right click.
Yeah, I guess so, eh?
Right click, and you can also go.
Oh yeah, right. I remember that from the other thing.
You can also there's a menu at the top of this window as well. Okay, it worked. Excellent. CD into that directory.
So what directory is it? What am I typing? Same thing?
Do an ls. Do an ls. ls is dir.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So now I'll have to cd.
And hit tab. Hit tab now.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
okay.
That's called tab completion. It saves your life.
That's awesome.
Enter. And trying to think of how you can edit these files now. I haven't used the Windows Linux subsystem for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
You should be able to.
So what have I done here, just to explain it to people that might be watching that don't know? Because we installed Ubuntu. Went into GitHub, got the link,
Yeah.
And then change the directory to, or sorry, then it cloned into the lab. So this
Yeah.
downloaded your document into a folder.
I downloaded the repo into
Oh,
that
oh,
folder.
the repository went into the folder. Okay,
Yeah.
into
All
this folder here.
repositories in the folder. So if you
Okay.
hit ls now, again,
Now that I have that, okay, awesome.
you have all of that stuff in there. And before it was an empty directory.
Okay,
Remember?
yep, I do. All right.
Okay, so the only real file in here, do cat cat and then space and then main.tf. Yeah. Okay, so that's the Terraform code to make a EC2 Linux instance and a Windows instance. And the reason for this, even though we're doing the CloudWatch, this is actually an easier way to make instances.
Yeah, okay.
This is an example of infrastructure as code. So
Mm.
if you wanted like the same thing in every region, you just modify this to or loop through it, however you want to do it.
So you just change the region here.
Yeah, yeah. And there's a few different ways to do that, but this is just a super simple thing for Terraform, and we could have easily done it. I could have easily done it in CloudFormation,
Yeah.
but I like Terraform a lot better because it uses the API. It's like direct API calls, and two, it's multi-cloud, it's multi-provider, so you can have it on a bunch of different things.
Okay, that's cool.
This has a provider of AWS, but you can have a provider of Azure, you can have a provider of Google, etc., etc., etc. So you can distribute all your stuff multi-cloud with one infrastructure as code tool. Anyway, so probably the best thing to do is just make a lab user and get programmatic keys for that. So you should go to the console, the AWS console.
Okay, so I'm going to I am,
yeah.
Oh, welcome to the new console home, by the way. They changed
I
it.
saw this. I liked it. I saw this today.
Yep. Okay, so I'm going to roles, correct?
Going to users.
Oh, users for this? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's cool. New stuff.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah,
that's cool.
just
you don't want to see red there. That's actually good for your resume.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Add user. All we're doing is making a temp user or CloudWatch Lab user to do this thing.
Yep, gotcha. So we're just doing.
I wouldn't even worry about hiding anything.
No, I'm not. We'll just tear it down. So we need an access key.
Yeah, and that's all I need. I'm not gonna log in.
Okay. Add the user to a group. So this one.
Just give me administrators, fine. It's the easiest, and we don't need that. Tearing it down anyway.
Yep. Okay. So CloudWatch Lab, program access with an access key, permissions boundaries not set. That's fine.
Yeah. So now there's a shortcut. I teach you a little shortcut. You can download this thing, or since we're throwing it away, you can just click on the show button, and then that shows you your key. So make it left, right, so your Ubuntu window is on one side and your console's on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go, and then where is Ubuntu? Open this.
The top. Yeah, there you
go. Go here. Okay.
So fuzzy. So fuzzy for me. I think it's fine on the feed. For me, it's fuzzy.
Oh yeah, it's fine. It's just because of the streaming. There's lots of artifacting happening.
It comes in. So on the console, or on the Ubuntu command line, shell, the shell on the right.
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Type. I think type AWS and enter and see what happens.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, if you need to do that, just copy and paste that, or type it out, whatever you want to do it.
Copy and paste this?
No, the sudo apt install AWS CLI.
Oh, yeah. Where am I copying and pasting that from?
From right above it.
Huh?
It says it right above it.
Oh,
Command
it does. Oh, I didn't
not-
even notice. It's so funny. Okay, yeah, I'll. Okay, so you can tab here, right? What was it? Just tab?
Right click.
Right click and tab?
Right click enter. Oh,
No.
that's still.
Remember
didn't
when
copy.
you were talking about tabbing?
Yeah.
Will that
Tab
work?
doesn't work for this.
Oh, that's what I was asking. Okay, because I didn't.
Okay. Wait. Stop. Select that.
Yeah.
Go up to the very. No. Wait.
Okay, go ahead.
It's not going to work the way you think it's going to work. Click that. And then go up to the orange logo right at the top where it's there. Click on that. And then click edit. And then click copy. Yeah. See, copies enter for some reason.
Weird.
Yeah. Now right click should get it properly.
Ever weird. Okay.
There you go. So there's an edit. What I was showing you there is that there's an edit thing at the top. The password that you just put in, Corey.
Oh.
Literally just one.
What is it?
Don't know. Is that what your password is? What is it?
No. No.
Do apt-get update. Sudo apt-get update.
Just like that?
I
Sudo.
think there's a dash. There's a dash between the apt and the get. I didn't say that though.
Like one dash?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's like one word. And it also might just be sudo apt update. Yeah, there you go.
Nope. Looks like we got it. We're doing some updates.
That's like a yum. That's like the yum updater or your Windows updater. You're forcing an update on your Ubuntu.
Fetch 23.1 megabytes in 12 seconds. And now it's flashing a cursor at me.
Yeah, this is fine.
Is it angry or working? Oh, it's just working. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, now try the AWS CLI again. The install. Just up arrow a couple of times, I think. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yes. So, see that? Did you learn something there?
I did. Oh, look at all that. Look at it. Look at it. It's doing stuff.
So step one, installing stuff in Linux always is apt-get update or apt update or whatever the update is for that Linux version.
Mm-hmm.
Because out of the box it says, what the hell's AWS CLI? And then you go, oh, update yourself. And then you go, install AWS CLI. It goes, oh, okay.
Yeah, it's weird.
I think we had done this in PowerShell. I don't think I taught you Ubuntu stuff yet.
Oh, no.
This is all new.
No, I've done a little bit with Ubuntu, but I actually didn't do it with you. It was just when I had the old box that Pat Holmes put together for me, I was playing with Ubuntu a bit on my own. And then Linux Mint for a while.
Yeah, the work Mint's fun.
I like Mint. Yeah, Mint's cool. Like, I liked it.
It's
So
fun,
that
but,
did lots of stuff.
Okay, so AWS now. I know it's installed now. So now you want to configure the AWS CLI. So it's AWS configure.
Config or configure?
Configure. And then copy the access ID from the left.
So I'm doing this here.
And then right click, yeah, enter.
And then this.
Yeah. Enter.
US East 1?
East 1, yeah. It's just, it's all lowercase.
Oh, okay.
All lowercase. Always, always, always.
Okay, I wasn't sure.
And then just enter for that. That doesn't matter. That you can put into JSON or text format or table format, but
Okay.
it doesn't matter. We're not using any of that. So,
All right.
cool. There we go. So now if you go back to the GitHub, back to the GitHub page.
Here we are.
And go to setup. Oh, there's actually, so right underneath your head, where your headphones are, there's Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply. Run those commands each. And you see that clipboard thing?
Yeah. Oh, on the right. So I'm
Yeah.
doing
Terraform init first.
So I'm doing this one first.
You did the first two already. I forgot about this page.
Okay, so I'm just
forgot.
Okay, so I'm just right clicking in the Ubuntu.
Yeah. Yeah. Enter. Oh, now we gotta install Terraform.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Terraform. I was so excited that everything's working that. See, no Terraform. So
I need to Google install It's probably just apt-get install Terraform or sudo apt-get install Terraform. Sudo apt. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Install.
Oh yeah, we need the word install. I forgot. Terraform. Let's give it a shot. See if it works.
I think it'll work.
We'll be saucy. Unable to locate package. Okay, let's Google it. Let's Google it. We're not as saucy as we think we is.
Should work though.
Hey, okay.
Install Terraform Ubuntu 20.
Ubuntu 20. Here we go. Try this. Here we go. Is this it? Whoop. That's a zip file.
wget and then tells you to put it in the path, right?
Well, it's to download a zip file.
Yeah, that's fine. Downloading the executable.
So you're doing. So I do this first from HashiCorp.
Yeah, go to the bottom. Go to the bottom. Not quite that far. Just the install part. You're actually into Terraform code.
Oh, okay. It's here. So, it says copy this.
Yeah.
And then
go through the instructions, and then that's it.
And then this, and then this, and then this.
And then you move everything into your bin folder, and your bin folder is like where you put all your programs. Like when you type Notepad on your computer. And for example, if Notepad was on Linux, it would be the Notepad executable would be in your user local bin folder. Does that make sense?
Yep. I got you. I'm picking up what you're putting down. So I did that, and now I'm going to do this.
Yeah, this is the nice stuff about Ubuntu. And the latest thing of Ubuntu is all these things are... maybe you didn't copy it.
Yeah, I might have missed the key. I don't know. I might have pressed Control X or something. Nope.
I think you got to use the browser stuff. I think you got to use the right click.
Yeah.
I don't think your command keys will work.
It did on the first one, so it's weird.
Yeah.
Come on now. Oh, I see. I'm trying to copy the... Nope.
Not doing it?
Nope, won't do it for me.
Okay, go up to the thing. Go up to the on.
Oh, I could. Hey, you know what I can do? I can just type it.
Remember that thing where you get stuck on something and no reason to get stuck on it? Remember that discussion?
Yep. You get stuck on something. Hey, why is it this? Did you try typing it?
You missed the D. What? Why would I type it when I can? Oh, damn.
Yeah. Why would I type it when I should be able to copy and paste it? It should work that way.
Yeah, doesn't matter. That's not what we're doing.
Yeah. We're not doing a copy and pasting from a website tutorial
You
exactly.
should do that though.
Yeah, this is how you copy and paste from a website. If it doesn't work, type it. If it's short.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty quick.
Okay.
All right. So
we'll try this one now.
The same version?
No idea.
Version 14. Yeah, it is the same version. Yeah.
Okay, so again, I have to type it. Won't do it for me.
Try that. Hang on. Go back.
Over here?
No, up to the orange thing on the top. Yeah, there. Try the paste from the orange thing.
Oh, that's a good idea.
It's so small you forget about it.
Nope.
It's not in the clipboard.
Yeah, for some reason it's not going to the clipboard. For whatever reason. This one is kind of long. I don't really want to type this, but I will. _0. You can see.
You should be able to tab complete this one.
So that says sudo unzip terraform _0.14.3 _linux _amd64.zip.
Oh, that's right.
Okay.
Inflating, like my ego. More quality content like that.
Like and subscribe. So now it says this will output a Terraform file. Just move it to the USR local bin to execute the command. Type in sudo mv terraform.
Move mv's move for your information.
For user local bin. Yeah, looks right. Okay, and then check the version. It says
dash version. Oh, dash.
It doesn't say that.
Oh, really?
It just says if you look on.
Try dash version for my own.
If you look here, there's no dashes.
I know. Can you just try it for me?
Oh yeah, I'll do it to humor your curiosity.
Yeah. Same deal. It's an alias.
Yeah, you can do either, I suppose.
Yeah.
That's okay. Okay. So we have installed Terraform. Where do I need to go back to now? I forgot.
Go back to the GitHub page.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now I want to Terraform init, right? I'm starting from here.
Type these out. Actually, it's probably not a terrible idea to type these out. Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply.
I'm just trying to see if it works, but it's not copying into here for me.
It worked before. It worked for a while.
Yeah, I know. It's weird. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm probably just doing something wrong. That's fine. Whatever. Terraform.
Yeah, these are not bad commands to get used to typing, to be honest.
Initializing the backend, initialing provider plugins, finding latest version of HashiCorp AWS, installing HashiCorp AWS v3.71. Terraform has been successfully initialized. You may now begin working with Terraform, etc., etc., etc. If you ever change modules, blah blah blah. So now I got green. Sorry?
Terraform. Yeah, it's green. Everything means go. Green means go.
Green's good. Terraform. Plan.
Plan is the next one. Yeah. And I should use this more than I do, but I don't. I kind of just click apply and see what happens. But this goes through all of the stuff that it's going to create for you, these two instances, and all of the information that it's showing there is not going to be known until after it's applied, right?
Okay. Fair.
But everything's green, everything's good, everything looks good there. That's doing what you want it to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so
that's great.
The next thing is to bring up the Aws console on the left and go to EC2.
Which console? Sorry, where do I have to go? EC2?
Yeah, EC2. Do a cat main.tf again. Okay, so you have to make a key pair called test first. I didn't get that part of the instructions, but you have to make a key pair called test.
Just defaults, right?
Yeah. That's all lowercase, right?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So download that.
Putty?
Save type as all. Oh, is that a putty file for you?
That's what it's
Oh,
showing.
I don't know how to use that.
I might have to change it to PM then.
Cancel. Okay, close that one. Like, delete that one. Sorry.
That's fine. Delete. And I'll make another one. But you want a PEM file, right?
Correct. You want a PEM file. That is correct.
Okay. So create a key pair because it was RSA or PPKs for use with putty. See?
Because you're on Windows, it's the PPK, and I don't know how to use PPK. And we're going to connect through Ubuntu anyway.
Yeah, gotcha. So it's test like lowercase, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So that one.
We're going to download PEM file to the desktop here.
Yeah.
So the PEM file's on the desktop.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
And
so
then
you can go back to EC2 now, or go back to the instances on the left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side, type Terraform apply.
Here? Oh, here.
There, yeah, on the right-hand side.
Okay. Terraform apply. Just make sure it's correct. You're not blocking it. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Plan 2 to add 0 change. Do you want to perform these actions? Terraform will perform the actions described above. Only yes will be accepted to approve. So I would type in Y-E-S. Enter.
Correct.
Creating an instance.
Yeah, if you refresh your instances, and if you filter by running instances, you know how to do that?
No.
Go, okay, on the search thing, on the top there, search left, yeah, there. Do instance state.
Oh, okay.
Equals.
Running.
And running, yeah.
Huh.
And you don't have an instance ID yet, so it's not going to be there yet, but as soon as you have an instance ID, there'll be a couple of instances that are coming up in that window.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah. So you're implementing Terraform that I've created without really understanding Terraform. And making instances with some minor guidance. If you refresh your instances table there, yeah, you'll have instances now.
Oh, wow.
And it's already completed.
Nice.
And normally I would do Linux first, but for you and the way we're doing this, we should connect to the Windows server instance first. One of the first things you need to do, which is in those instructions, but we blew over them, is make sure that you can connect to these. So you need to go to the security group for this and make sure that you have RDP access to this instance. So go to the instance and then figure out what security group it's on, which I think is just default.
Oh, it would have to be, I think.
This is different. Oh, there it is.
Security?
There. Yeah.
Yeah, it's default. So what do I need to do with it? This, I know it's security.
You need to add RDP access for your IP address.
Oh, I see. So I need to
in
add
your
it,
inbound rules.
edit inbound rules and add RDP. Gotcha. Okay, well,
Yeah.
that's interesting.
Oh, you already have it?
My IP.
Oh yeah, there you go. You already had it for something else.
Well, I had to change it.
Yeah. So that you might as well delete the other one if that IP doesn't exist anymore,
Yeah, I don't think
right?
so.
Or change, or if you're gonna, since we're in here, you might as well do the same thing for SSH because you're gonna need to do the same thing for Ubuntu. So you should have just changed the IP address on the last one. So add SSH in here as well. Add a rule. But you could do that too. Smarty pants.
Okay. So we'll go
Just change your
this
IPs
one to
to
my IP and this one to my IP, and then we're good.
yeah, correct. I didn't realize you had those already.
I think they're in there from another tutorial, whether it was us or through Udemy. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Okay, so that's all you need for that. So go back to the Windows instance, or up to the
Instances here.
yeah. Go back to the Windows instance. Click on it.
Like actually go to the instance. Got you.
Yeah.
Okay. Open address. To look at it, or what am I doing?
Connect on the top there. Right, left.
Oh,
left,
here. Yeah,
up.
gotcha.
Yeah.
We weren't able to connect your instance.
RDP client. And then get password. And now you need to,
Oh, this is where I get my PEM file, right?
correct. So this is getting your administrator password. Oh, that's the highest hit on Cloud Brothers website, by the way.
What's that?
42 views.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
How to get your Windows password.
That's the answer to life, the universe, and everything right there. Okay, so we are connected to our instance. Is that a true story?
No. Yeah, you need to open your RDP client now and put administrator and that password that you just got. So put that password somewhere so you don't have to do it again. Put that password into Notepad.
What password?
The password
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
Yeah, just put it in Notepad.
Yeah. Alrighty. Notepad.
And I don't download the RDPs, but you can try that. That might be a good way for you to do it if you're running on Windows. I don't use them, but they do give you a RDP file.
Well, probably just mainly run on Windows just for learning, not when I'm actually doing real world projects.
Oh no, try the download RDP desktop file.
Sure. Oh, I think I've done that before.
Yeah, and all you should be able to do, now all you should have to do is go to the desktop and open that, and it should open your RDP client.
Oh man.
Which desktop?
Hold on. I just have some stuff I need to move. Here.
You can just open it. Oh yeah, okay, that'll work too. Magic.
Hold on. I gotta put all my stuff back now. Okay, so all right, whatever. I'll just put that there for a second.
Yeah, let's leave that there for a second. You need to move it around anyways once you get in here. Is it doing anything?
Oh, sorry. You can't see that. It's doing this.
Oh yeah, okay, good. It should have connected already though.
It says remote access to the server is not enabled. The remote computer is turned off. The remote computer is not available. Make sure.
Yeah. This is why I don't bother with downloading the RDP file. So just delete that thing. It's never worked for me that way.
Eh,
don't know why.
whatever. It's not important. It's not the point.
So
So
open. So go. No, you do need to open up RDP though. I think you just go to your start window and type RDP.
like down here,
Yeah.
we're well, our DC. Okay.
RDP is Remote Desktop Protocol, I think.
Oh, okay. Well, it says so. Computer.
You want to put the IP address or that one, that public DNS will work. And then connect. That should be connecting. Maybe we should go to your security groups and just open everything in your security group because they should be working.
So it's giving me the same error. Okay.
Yeah. Go back to your security group.
So let's just do this for now. I'm gonna go back into security group.
Yeah.
To my default security group. I am going to edit my inbound rules.
Yeah. I just do all from
that's
everywhere.
Weird. It's so from anywhere IPv4 or IPv4.
Yeah.
Maybe I didn't save the rule. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, and then I'll try it again.
Completely open. It should work now. If it doesn't work now, there's something else wrong.
No, that's pretty fast.
Yeah.
So my use, yeah.
That's how fast it should be.
Mm-hmm.
Again, if you want to fix it, we can fix it. If you want to worry about it later,
I do not want to worry about it. It's fine.
Okay, so administrator. It's administrator and the password that you just copied into the notepad.
And then I go into my notepad, which is here. Copy this. Whoop.
Yeah, and then this is all
yeah,
good
it's all
stuff.
fine. All right. Well, on my other desktop, which I'll move over in a sec. Here we are.
You can window. Yeah.
It's just loading up. It's.
Oh, you're not gonna want this. You're not gonna want this Mac screen like this.
Oh, okay. Well.
Just windowed like that's fine.
Yeah, it was just how it looked in the other screen. It defaulted open like that. Oh, wow. Woo! We got a real instance, fellas. Go Cloud Brothers. Go Cloud Brothers. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
I'm going to do something slightly different. Oh, I can't hear that music.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's just all celebration.
Yeah, I'm all business now. It was exciting at one time for me. My advice though is if you hear that your client works on Windows, go for another job where they only work on Linux because there's lots of those.
Yeah, fair enough. All right. So that's cool. I was just playing and it's not about our excitement. It's about building excitement for our audience who clearly stays here for 53 minutes to get to this point to watch us build an EC2 instance from Terraform. Because we I don't know, that's pretty cool that just even not having Ubuntu installed, being basically the same place we were on previous attempts, that took us about 50 minutes to do.
Yeah, and we can get the rest of the CloudWatch stuff done in about an hour. Like the rest of it doesn't take that long. And I have a shortcut way to do it here too. So this isn't in any instructions. It needs to go to in the instructions. But just open up a Google tab.
Okay.
And type. Sorry. Go back to my Terraform page.
Okay.
That one. And then go to that, and then go to install CloudWatch Agent MD.
Oh, this one? Okay.
Yeah. and go down to install the agent on Windows. That's the next one on Windows. Yeah, there.
Okay, here.
So now put that into your URL thing and change the region parts to US East 1 and save this on your desktop. But don't run it on your computer yet.
Here. US-East-1. Okay.
Yeah. Same for the other one, there's two. It's always two. One at the beginning. Go back to the notepad. There's always two.
Oh, I see. I thought you meant there's two lines that I had to copy, but you're talking about regions. Okay.
Yeah, there's always two instances of that thing where you got to change the region. Okay, so now put that into a different tab and download that.
So I have to put that in here, like up here?
Yeah, and then it'll just start a download.
Oh, okay. Where should I save it? Anywhere?
Desktop's good. Desktop.
Okay.
Done already?
Yep. So I want to open that?
Okay. No, right click. No, don't open it.
Mm-hmm.
Just, you're going to copy and paste it from your computer to the remote computer. You're going to go onto the desktop and right click on it. And then go on to the remote Windows and right click on that and click paste.
Okay, so just because it's hard to move windows around, it's here.
Yeah, right click.
Copy.
Where's this copy?
Oh, that's weird.
Look on the desktop. You're on the desktop. I don't need to see that it. What the hell was that? Weird. Is that Windows 11? I don't like
it's got to be a Windows 11 thing. So now I want to go to my remote desktop and paste it here, right?
Right click and then paste, yeah. And that should paste the file onto your remote computer, and it's a T2 micro, so it might take a little time. But it's not saying no yet.
Let's make sure I clicked on that. I think I did. Yeah, I did.
It did.
You can see because it's doing the circle. So
spinny wheel thing, yeah. I think it's doing it. I think it's just a really small.
Yeah, it's a T2 micro, slow connection maybe. That could be why.
Yeah. And if this doesn't work, this was a bad idea. I was trying to avoid a whole bunch of security things to download the same thing. We might.
There it goes.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. It's just slow. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
It's saving us some money with the T2 micro. Okay, so now go back to the page. Go back to the instructions GitHub page. Install CloudWatch. Yeah. So now you need to go to PowerShell and then run that thing there.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. See, no. But right underneath where you downloaded the file, it says move to the directory containing the package, and then enter the following. Like right above what you're selected, you gotta change to your desktop. So you need to open up PowerShell.
Like it has to be PowerShell or command prompt?
PowerShell on the remote instance.
Oh, on the instance. Okay.
Yeah, doing everything on the instance.
Where's PowerShell?
You scroll down. You got scroll bars there. If you scroll down, you'll see the rest of it. That's not going to help.
Well, it's going to help me so I can see it.
Oh, well, I can't see it now.
I know. I'll shrink it down. Don't worry.
Did you run that as administrator?
Nope.
Yeah, always run as administrator.
Oh, here you go. I found it. All right. So let me try it again. Hey, none of that. There we go.
I shouldn't say always, but mostly.
Well, when you're trying to do this stuff, obviously you wanna.
Yeah. Wow, this one's slow, hey?
Yeah, well, it's T2 micro. I don't expect it to be lightning fast, right? It's just cool. I'm just happy it's working. I think it's really neat.
This is the first Windows you've logged into since like I think we may have done one of these at the very beginning.
Since like workspaces, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah. I showed you how to get into Windows, and then I showed you workspaces, and workspaces was easier then.
yeah.
Workspaces is not easier.
Okay,
For
so where am I going from?
you should just be able to paste that line in. It didn't copy. Oh yeah, there it goes. Slow. Wow. Yeah, enter.
I press enter. Honest.
I believe you now.
Should I do it again since it's blinking?
Yeah. Already run.
It says the installation package could not be opened. Verify that the package exists and that you can access it. Or
Well, you gotta change to click. You missed the sentence that I was saying there. You have to change to the directory where the file is, and then run that command. You need to change to the desktop. So CD.
Okay. Oop.
I think.
Oh, okay. I see what I did. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I don't think you don't need the colon or the forward slash. Just CD.
Oh, you just CD desktop? Oh, okay. Why am I being so fancy?
I don't know. Oh, there you go.
Okay, now
run it.
There you go. Amazon Cloudwatch agent.
We got too many things going when we do this. Too many bells and whistles going.
Spin plate, spin the plate, spin the plate,
Yeah.
spin the plate.
That's alright though, there's good content in here. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Quality content like this. Whoa. Beep, beep.
All right, so we're going back to...
Go back to the destructions, and then I think that one you can just copy the whole thing and paste it if it works.
Let's see if this one works. No whammy. All right.
Yeah, see if that
Nope.
works. Try it as one line instead of two lines.
How'd that even happen? Oh, because it shows that way.
I did it, yeah.
So we'll just pull this back one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
Did not.
It's a different error than the one above it.
Okay. What?
It says the top one says Amazon CloudWatch error. This one says set location. A positional parameter cannot be found that accepts the argument.
That's fine. It's Control C, just CD into the program file.
Oh, I hold on. I got an idea. I think I know what it might be.
I need space there.
Yeah, right here. So try that. It says a positional argument. Nope.
Yeah, so just go into program files, just navigate to that CD dot dot. Oh, it's actually just wait, just ls. Yeah, just type Amazon CloudWatch Agent config wizard. You're already in the directory.
This one?
Somehow it got you into this directory.
So that, like that? That's it?
Yeah.
Nope.
Same
Lies,
deal.
lies, all lies. It's not recognized as the name of a command.
Oh, try this from the command line. I might have screwed you up telling you go to PowerShell. Go close this and go to the same directory with the command prompt. I might have steered you wrong here.
Ah. Didn't want it to go yet.
Oddly for this one, I don't think it matters if you're administrator or not. It's not a terrible idea though.
Weird. Okay. Whatever. Okay, we're an administrator anyway. Whatever. So, what am I checking?
CD dot dot CD dot dot.
On the same line?
Oh, enter. And then CD.
Oh, to go down to the root. I got you. Okay.
And then CD program files. I think if you just type.
Is it capital though? Like.
Yeah. And hit tab. I think if you hit. Yeah, there you go. It's fine. Figures it out. Do a dir, Windows. So CD Amazon. CD Amazon CloudWatch agent.
Like that?
It's one word. Sorry, it's all one word.
Is it capitalized or?
Yeah, it's all one word. It's Amazon CloudWatch agent is all one word. Do a dir.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. So there's got 3 capitals there.
Yeah, and I think you can do
camel
tab
case.
here as well. Like if you hit tab, it'll just finish it for you.
Oh, I see.
Now type do a dir again. And then the wizard one, just Amazon CloudWatch agent config wizard.exe.
So just this without any command?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. So I screwed you up. That's my fault.
So
Windows.
Windows?
Yeah. And then EC2.
So 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Default choice.
2.
Do I want sats daemon?
2, no. 2.
Do you have any existing CloudWatch log agent config? No. For migration? No. Do you want to monitor any metrics?
Yes.
Do you want to monitor CPU metrics per core?
No. I'd like my money. Thank you.
Yep. And then do you want to add EC2 dimensions, metadata?
Yes.
Yes. And then do you want it 1 second, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds?
4.
4. Okay. Default metrics config. Basic, standard, advanced, none.
3. And
So then it shows you your metrics here.
Yeah, your memory.
All that stuff.
File,
So
stuff like
am I satisfied with the config? It can be manually altered later. Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want no?
No.
Do you want to monitor any Windows event log?
No, not right now.
Please. I want to save it in the parameter store? No.
No.
Press enter to exit.
Yeah. So see, it says. Oh, did it not tell you where it's keeping it? It did tell you where it's keeping it.
Somewhere.
The config file is also located in config.json, so it's got to be in that folder you're in then. So do that. Do a ls or a dir. Sorry, dir.
Yeah, right here.
Config.json. So it just saves it in that folder. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
So the next on the GitHub one, the command to start it is on the next one. PowerShell. Start PowerShell. Yeah.
So it is this whole line?
Yeah. And you can change,
Oh,
see where it's the
copy.
configuration file path.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's where I have to put config.json.
Correct.
So let me do it in here. Config.json.
Yeah.
That'll look correct.
That all looks good. I wonder, try it here. See if it works.
Won't let me paste it from there for some reason. Let me try it with my mouse. I don't know why it does that. It's weird.
Yeah. Try open up PowerShell and go to the same directory. And I don't think it matters if you're administrator or not. I think any user can start this. One more step to this. You want to wrap that? Why don't we wrap this up? Because we can probably wrap this up in an hour and a half.
Oh yeah.
And then the two different things, different time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in the PowerShell, I guess. It's I think. Yeah.
Yeah. Right click and paste and see if it works in here.
It does not. Oh, wait. Okay. It let me paste, but it didn't let me paste what I had copied.
Strange.
There we go.
Yeah. So that should work, I think. Yeah, that looks good.
Failed.
Catch config. All right. So why is that?
Did I type it wrong?
Doesn't look like it. Oh, you need to change that directory and run the command. That's why.
Oh, yeah, the cd dot dot. Where did I have to go?
CD program files, Amazon,
Oh, right.
on Cloudwatch agent. Try CDP and then tab, capital P and then tab.
Capital P, like that?
Oh, space, CD, space, capital P and then hit tab. Actually type P, yeah, there you go. Enter.
Okay.
So CD, you need to do the same thing into Amazon. The Amazon, all one word. If you type AM and then tab, yeah, enter. And then do the same thing again.
Oops. Oh, I guess just...
The dot / yeah, I think it's the dot / space, you need the space there though.
Oh, before the period, yeah. Or before the dot, yeah. I mean.
And then Amazon.
Cloudwatch agent.
Yeah, enter. Now copy, now paste again. And enter.
Okay, it's starting the configuration validation. Succeeded. Amazon Cloudwatch agent has been stopped. Amazon Cloudwatch agent has been started.
Yeah, so that's a success. You've successfully installed the Cloudwatch agent on Windows.
Doing custom metrics. So now if I go look at my instances, in 60 seconds I should see something, right?
No, you won't see anything right now.
Oh, okay.
Because we didn't do the IAM role stuff.
Oh, yeah.
IAM role stuff.
Got
All
you.
that's left now is the IAM role stuff and attaching the IAM role to the instance. So go back to the instructions.
Oh, instructions.
Because I think the IAM role stuff is on the top. I think. If you just search for, no, it's in install CloudWatch.
Oh, it is in this MD. Okay.
Then search to Control F for IAM or for IAM. Yeah, there it is. This is actually the same for Windows as well as Linux, but it doesn't look like that from the instructions.
Okay.
The first thing is that you don't need to do anything other than, you don't need to scroll down, you don't need to be anywhere.
Okay,
Those are the only things you need to do.
Oh, just open the IAM console?
Open the IAM console, go to roles,
choose
create role for service, choose EC2, put them side by side each.
Where'd she go? Okay, here we go. This one's gonna be here, and then this one is gonna be here. Uh-oh. Hold on. I just have to separate the window. Okay, here we go. So I want to go back to IAM.
Yeah.
I already knew this. I didn't need to go look at it, but it's good for the so I want to go into roles.
Yeah.
I want to create a role. We're gonna call it
CloudWatch Agent Server Policy. Or no, I don't think we need the name yet. Just need the EC2.
No. We I have to choose EC2, right?
CloudWatch Agent Server Role.
Yeah.
EC2 is correct. That's all you gotta click. This next.
Yeah, next permissions, and then
you gotta add the policy here, which is the CloudWatch Agent Server Policy. In the list of policies, select CloudWatch Server Policy.
No, it's a service role. Is this it? Create policy?
Type CloudWatch Agent Server. It's all one word. It all should be one word. And it's capitalized. Yeah.
There you go. Service policy. So just do that, then click next.
Yeah. I don't care about tags at this moment.
Review role name, we'll call it. Is there a specific name it has to be?
Yeah, CloudWatch Agent Server Role. It doesn't matter, but it's CloudWatch Agent Server Role is in instructions.
Just to remember.
Oh, you already have it. Okay, that's fine. You can just cancel out of this then. All you would have had to do is click next and created a role, but you've done this before.
All right.
So all you need to do now then is go back to EC2.
To EC2?
Yeah.
You cut out there for a sec.
Yeah, back to EC2 and attach the IAM role. Actually, I'm going to let you test it.
Oh, man.
Attach the IAM role to the instance.
Oh, man. I forget. OneDrive.
I'll give you a hint. It's a right click and it's not on the page you're on.
Oh. Okay. It's a right click.
Yeah. Closer. What's IAM have to do with? What does IAM stand for?
Well, I know it's identity and access management, but
what's access? What would access go under a category?
secure.
It's in that list. It is in the list you have drop down.
Oh, and Mormon here.
Yeah.
Well, networking.
It has nothing to do. Well, kind of has
Security.
that. Yeah.
Modify Emerald.
Yeah. That's the access
Choose
part.
Emerald. CloudWatch. Yeah. Security, obviously. Okay.
Save that. And then within a short period of time, you go back to the CloudWatch agent. You don't need the instructions anymore, so you can maximize the
console.
Console, yeah.
Okay, so I could just close all these windows.
Yeah.
Or tabs. Okay, so
Go to CloudWatch now.
no, I just have to go to the CloudWatch, the actual service.
No. Well, everybody's getting new spinny things. Jira had new spinny things.
All right. So
metrics now.
I want to look at metrics. All metrics. Now I want to look at EC2.
Yeah. So you don't have any yet, but that doesn't surprise me. You literally just put the IAM raw on, right?
Mm-hmm.
One of the things that I do, go back to EC2. One of the things that I do is I grab the instance ID.
Mm-hmm.
And I only search CloudWatch metrics for the instance ID that I'm working for or working on, because sometimes you'll go in there and you'll see like 500 or 1,000 machines, and that's just too much to filter.
Well,
through.
yeah. So I want to grab this, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so then I'm gonna go back into CloudWatch.
Yeah.
And then search in here.
Put it in there and then enter. Yeah. So that's not working yet. Those are just the standard metrics. There should be custom metrics in here already. Although we set them to every 20 or 60 seconds, so maybe 60 seconds. And I can't remember if the Windows ones take longer than this one. You may want to, after changing the IM thing. Wait, don't close that. Don't close that.
I already closed it.
That's all right.
I was just gonna try and do something on it, like make a notepad or something.
Oh yeah.
Like just to give it something to read. Okay. All right.
Well, no, that's nothing to do with metrics.
Just a test, Broheim. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just a theory.
That's crazy talk. You need to Google restarting the CloudWatch agent. This will save if you're restarting it. Are you seeing if that gets lost or not? Restart?
No. I'm gonna refresh this page, see what happens.
All right. So now episode 2.
Yeah.
Is going to be you got to step back one from this one. Go to yeah. Oh, there you go. It's working now. You see the difference?
Yes.
Yeah, hit the success horn. The celebration.
Oh, wait. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah, it works. It worked.
All right, so click in there. So enough screwing around. Get back to work.
I get out the music hard right there. It was hilarious. All right, so we got it. That was all because I saved a text file. You're welcome. It's because I'm a genius, not because it was just enough time to do it.
Yeah,
Um,
that's sure, sure,
yep.
sure. Every time you do that, that's gonna do the same thing.
See, but that's what I was doing. This here, the physical disk right? Because I wrote some bytes.
Nothing to do with what.
Maybe. You don't know.
It's just
You
hard no.
don't
I know.
know. You
I know
don't
it's hard.
know.
I know it's a hard no.
You don't know. You saw me do it, and then I.
Oh no, it's wrong. It's just wrong.
Oh
So
yeah,
back
no,
to
no, it definitely like TCP/v4 connections
yeah.
established. That's nothing to do with me saving a text file. I believe
I
you.
think
I'm just
I
yanking
know.
your chain a bit.
I know.
I'm not
I know.
serious.
It's
Um,
like the one I seen. That's one I seen recently. It's like I bet you I can get you to say five. I bet you dinner get you to say five. And the guy goes, okay, what's 1 + 1? And it's like, okay, what's da da da? What's da da da? And he goes, like, oh, I told you I could get you to say 5 or 9. Said it wrong. And then it's like, you said 5, because I would fall for that every time.
noise.
Yeah. Uh, have a look at that one for the C drive. Actually, I want to show you something here. I'm going to drive a little lesson home for you.
Okay.
The whole point of this thing. The whole point of this thing is so you don't get 2 questions wrong on the exam.
Well, yeah. I don't want to get
Click
2
on
questions wrong.
the one with the 10, the
Mm.
CW agent instance, CW agent image instance ID with the 10 beside it. While you're looking around.
Yeah, I was just looking at what the differences are here.
So that's
Like,
cool.
obviously, it's not going to show anything.
You can do custom too. If you click custom,
Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool.
you can go back like as far as you keep logs for. I think it's years, months. Yeah.
Well, at this point, yeah, it's you know,
Yeah.
partly if you've been running
Another
it past a year,
thing
it'll start to say years.
Another thing you can do in here is, beside that, you can change the graph to a different kind of graph. The line thing. Here it says line. Up
here, yeah, and you can do a bar if you want.
Number.
High.
Some things, some metrics you want like a 1 or a 0, an on or an off.
Yeah, sure, that makes sense.
Yeah. I think you can filter out by logical disk. Or no, not the math.
Oh, I'm just looking at. Sorry,
Okay.
you just said the word at the same time. And then you have your queries for all your different stuff. API, la 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 la. Cool.
Yeah, send you queries for stuff.
I've been in here before, but not that much. So now that I'm starting to know my way around a bit more, I just like to look around.
Basically,
Oh,
if
yeah,
you're gonna do any Amazon SRE stuff, you're gonna be in here.
Oh yeah.
Just period.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Like the de facto standard for Amazon monitoring.
All right, so I think we're pretty much done. We made it work, and that was awesome. But I want to go in here, and I need to do a few things. If you're following along or you do this stuff, you need to do this stuff too, or it's gonna wind up costing you money, like it did to me. So you got to go into your EC2 dashboard. Stop.
I don't need to do this. Wait a second.
Oh wait, we do it with Terraform, right? Except for the key pairs. Okay, so I can close my remote desktop connection, correct?
Correct. You're gonna kill it. You're gonna burn it with fire.
Okay, goodbye. All right, so we're gonna go into PowerShell.
You go into Ubuntu. You open up Ubuntu again.
Command prompt.
Ubuntu.
Oh, Ubuntu. Oh yeah, it's still open. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So just hold it. Let me clear this.
Very complicated. It's very complicated to do this. Okay.
You go Terraform.
To explain. I didn't let me do my joke.
What's the joke?
I was gonna do. Oh, it takes so long to explain how to get rid of stuff in
Oh.
Terraform. Type Terraform destroy.
Oh, it is destroy?
Yeah.
I was trying to be funny.
Oh, that's actually what it is.
I must have remembered, and then that's where my joke came from. But
Yeah.
Terraform destroy.
Yeah, and then the same thing. It's gonna ask you yes. Uh, don't say yes when you're tired. Don't do this when you're
No doubt,
tired.
no doubt. Do you really want to destroy all your resources? Terraform will destroy all your managed infrastructure as shown above. Okay,
Yeah.
so question before I do this.
Yeah.
When I do this, it will only do the resources that I just created, or is it going to tear down everything that I've ever made in Terraform? Probably a dumb question, but I just
No, it's only
curious.
it'll only. So the way that Terraform works is it. We'll do a Terraform 101 thing one day. But
Yeah.
the way Terraform works is it keeps everything in a state file.
Hmm.
So you basically tell it the stuff that you want, and it goes, okay, you want everything to be in this state, and I'm going to keep that as a file.
Hmm.
And since you're in this folder, this thing has a Terraform state.
Yeah.
Hit no to this.
Say
Hit
that
no to
again.
hit no to this. Just hit enter or no. Show you something.
Hmm.
Do ls-la
Dash.
space no ls space dash la, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you see the .terraform or the terraform.tf state? Do cat terraform.tf state. Cat space terraform. Yeah, not TF.
TF.
Oh, no,
TF.
that's all one word, yeah. And yes,
Like that.
correct. Yeah, like that. And that's the instructions for Terraform
That we
for
made. Okay.
what you want it to be, right?
Hmm.
And you can manually edit that file. You let Terraform figure that file out, but that's
Hmm.
where it keeps everything. And that's called the Terraform state file. So when you destroy it, it's just going to destroy the things that are provisioned in this thing,
That you're
and then
working with. Okay.
update it and say everything's destroyed.
Okay. Oops. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Terraform destroy. It's gonna make me type yes.
Yeah, you have to type yes.
Yes. So one of the things I really like about AWS is the all the type delete um,
Oh yeah,
things and
yeah, yeah.
the stuff like this.
And they're
And
not all the same.
yeah, and they're all a little different.
Yeah,
And now it was like some of the questions on the practice exams are like, should you enable multi-factor authentication delete? Yes. That's a
yeah,
good, you know, for the amount of money people spend on this.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, so now if I go back into my console
So you
and
can get that's probably
and
those will be
refresh, those should be
terminated.
gone or in terminating state or gone.
Yeah. Well, you won't see them because you have it filtered as instance running, but if you
Right.
clear that filter, you'll
Yeah.
see it as
Yeah.
terminated.
So now they're stopped, but the one thing that I
Oh,
uh,
those are your other. Those three instances are other things you've got
no, I know
stopped.
they're from my they're from Udemy, but
Yeah.
there are the one thing that I got charged for before, which was
You
fairly
don't need,
expensive, was this stuff.
yeah, and you don't need this one.
Yeah. And like it's just sitting there, and because Terraform doesn't destroy this because it's made separately, right?
Well, you can make a You can use Terraform to make and delete keys.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good,
Yeah.
but that's what I'm talking about. You have to type delete to delete this key.
Yeah.
And it was like $5, which is for a key I wasn't
$5
using.
a month. $5 over a couple months.
Well, yeah, but you know, when didn't notice that I still had it.
It's
Okay.
$5 that you didn't need to spend because it wasn't being used.
Hey, so we gave an extra half hour of content today.
Oh yeah, they can subscribe for
You're
that.
you're
We
welcome. Like and subscribe. And are you gonna? Can you send me the? Can you set? Actually, I have the link to your file. Is it okay if I put that in the description so people can follow along the tutorial if they want to? Okay.
And ask comments about it. We'll answer the comments.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. Okay. We'll put that in the description and everything. All right. Like and subscribe. Club Brothers. Club Brothers. Woo!
We cleared